Many of us crave a glass of champagne for any reason, but there are sparkling wines beyond champagne that are made in the same way and are much less costly. At different times, Allison and I have traveled to northern Italy, epicenter of Italian sparkling wine, and we've sipped and savored wines made in the traditional method, like champagne, whereby the second fermentation is in the bottle. In this episode, we'll travel beyond champagne and suggest 3 sparkling wines you can't help but love. Enjoy our video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more. Let's travel beyond champagne to northern Italy, where we'll find 3 affordable alternatives that are produced in the traditional method, or metodo classico. Allie, where are you and what are you sipping?
Well, I'm located in the heart of Lombardy, only 1 hour from Milan and bordering Lake Isola. I'm in Franciacorta, and Franciacorta includes 19 municipalities in the province of Brescia. Mineral deposits left by glaciers result in rich soil, an element that adds to the aromas of the wine and assists with drainage. The valley experiences hot summers and mild winters. Winds flow south from the lake to prevent fog, humidity, molds, mildews, and pests. And this is why it's such a perfect place for sparkling wine.
The predominant grape variety in Franciacorta DOCG is Chardonnay. Pinot Noir and Pinot Blanc are found in the blends, and all wines are produced using Metodo Classico. Wines from the area are rich and usually dry, with yeasty notes we've come to appreciate in that glass of champagne. Franciacorta exudes unique aromas and flavors of honeysuckle, hazelnuts, almonds, tropical fruit, bright citrus, or spice. Often called the champagne of Italy, Franciacorta is distinctive in its own right.
So located in the extreme northeastern part of Franciacorta, La Montina was established in 1982 by 7 brothers. The La Montina Franciacorta Brut is a wine for any time. It's a blend of 85% Chardonnay, 15% Pinot Noir. I get citrus and dried fruit and floral notes as well. Ooh, really fresh acidity. The minerality kind of finishes on the palate. And what a beautiful wine, beautiful sparkling wine, a little bit of that yeastiness, and my God, it's a $30 wine. Amazing.
It is. I love Franciacorta. I would wish everyone gets to love it as much as we do. It's a beautiful wine.
Absolutely. There are so many great producers of Franciacorta, and they range in prices, and there are some more expensive ones, but still it's an affordable, deliciously made sparkling wine for any celebration.
Agreed. So now we're going to take our wine adventure to a higher level. We're going to drink those from Trentino, which is a mountainous region in the northeastern corner of Italy. That high alpine air is fresh and pure as we'll ever breathe. And I mean, honestly, I wish I could just stand on top of a mountain right now because the vistas go on for miles. The sparkling wines, again, are affordable, alternatives to champagne. They're made the same way. So
yeah, Trentodoc is a collective trademark of 48 sparkling wine producers. And the signature elements are the terroir, but also the method of production, the metodo classico. The grapes cultivated in the region include Chardonnay and Pinot Noir, and to a lesser extent, Pinot Bianco and Pinot Meunier. The soils of the vineyards are a range of volcanic and fluvial glacial deposits, limestone, calcareous soils, and sand. So perfect areas. And one of the most famous producers of the area is Ferrari Trento, located up there on those high elevated vineyards. A really well-known and beautiful producer of sparkling wine, winner of tons of awards of best sparkling wine in the world. This Ferrari Brut happens to be, and I even have a Ferrari glass, happens to be a Blanc de Blanc. So it's made from Chardonnay and it's matured 2 years in the bottle. I mean, I'm getting this really fresh and crisp notes on the nose, a little apple, white flowers, a little bit of yeastiness. And it's deliciously refreshing. I mean, and this is a wine that retails for $23. So when you want to celebrate, you cannot go wrong with a Trentodoc, specifically the Ferrari Brut.
Yeah, I mean, for an award-winning, highly recognized international brand for $23 and the refreshing palate profile that literally goes with every food from beginning of the meal to the end. It is
Absolutely.
a great value.
Absolutely. So Cindy, we've hit Lombardy with Franciacorta, and we hit Trentodoc in Trentino. So where is our third and final stop?
Well, it's a stop that some people may not know about. It's the Alta Langa is in the Piemonte region. It was established as a DOC in 2002, but then a DOCG in 2011. So the principal white grape variety is Chardonnay, and the principal red grape is Pinot Nero. So we have a wine from Enrico Serafino. It was, the winery was established in 1878, and it's the oldest winery in the area and has been in continuous operation in its original location for 140 years. That's a lot. The Enrico Serafino Audace Brut Alta Langa DOCG retails for only $28. It's a blend of 80% Pinot Nero and 20% Chardonnay. So I do love this wine. It's got, oh my gosh.
You know, what I'm loving about it in comparison to the others, because the first one we had was, you know, predominantly Chardonnay. The second one was 100% Chardonnay. And now we have a wine that's mostly Pinot Noir. So it's got a little more body and intensity to it.
I totally agree. And I'm getting those honey notes, white flowers, white fruits, but I get that yeasty, you know, aromas and on the palate too, and a little bit of nuts, breezy salinity, minerality. This has it all. And I love discovering a wine, especially a sparkling wine from a region that I'm not that familiar with, but I promise at these price points, I will be.
Yeah. So if you look at across a map of Italy and you start actually in, you know, Trentino, and then you move into Lombardy, another region where Milan is the capital, and that's Franciacorta. And then you move to Piedmont, where Torino is the capital, and that's where Alta Langa is. We just hit 3 regions that are all doing incredible, classic method sparkling wines.
Exactly. And I love it. They're all in Northern Italy. You literally could just do a wine travel trip and go from west to east or east to west, wherever you want to go.
And $30 or less per bottle. That is a celebration.
I love it. I love it. I think we nailed it on this one. I love it. All right. So in this episode, though, I love that we've offered an introduction to the many sparkling wines of Northern Italy, 3, in fact. They're made in the traditional method like champagne. They're affordable and fun alternatives to paying, you know, over $100 per bottle. And so it's your turn to find that bottle of sparkling wine from Northern Italy too. We'd like you to tell us what you found in the comments, give our video a like, of course, and subscribe to our channel for more. Cheers.
Cheers.